We've got the 4 people are buying chocolates: Oscar, Hannah, William, and Alicia. And when they go into the shop, they find we can see the price that they paid. Oscar paid 176 kronas, but it was actually for only chocolates. He's actually only paying his money for the chocolates. The box is free, but we don't know how much the box weighs. We do know that his box and the chocolates that he bought weighed 3.4 hectograms. Hannah bought 2.2 hectograms of the box and the chocolates. We still don't know how much the box weighs, and that costs 110 kronas. William bought 1.6 hectos, and it cost 77 kronas. And Alicia's box and chocolates weighed 0.8 hectos, and she paid 33 kronas. So the question is, we need to find out, how can we get rid of the box? What we can do to find out to get rid of the box, if we think that Oscar's chocolates plus his box was 3.4 hectograms, but Hannah's chocolates and Hannah's box was 2.2 hectograms. If we just do a big subtraction of that, as though it's a simultaneous equation with x and y equals something, what we get then is we get Oscar's chocolates, I've called it OC, minus Hannah's chocolates equals box minus box. You see what happens there? The weight of the box disappears because box minus box is 0. So we get that Oscar's chocolates minus Hannah's chocolates equals 3.4 minus 2.2, which is 1.2 hectograms. So the difference between Oscar's and Hannah's chocolates is 1.2 hectograms. If we do the same thing there for the price, so what we're actually doing here is just subtracting 3.4 minus 2.2, giving us a weight of 1.2 hectograms. Now that must just be chocolate, because we've taken away the effect of the box, really, the weight of the box. In order to know, so now we know that this is just chocolate, so we can use the price. We can also take the difference in price between 176 and 110. That gives us 66 kronas. So now we have a weight of just chocolates, 1.2 hectograms, that would cost us 66 kronas. So now we know that, and let's try and make a little bit of space down here. So we know that 1.2 hectos of chocolate, no box anymore because we've subtracted that, is going to cost us 66 kronas. We don't want to know what 1.2 hecto is, we want to know what 1 hecto is, so we divide both sides by 1.2. That would give us 1 hectogram here. 66 divided by 1.2, it's badly written here, 1.2 will give us 55 kronas. So 1 hecto of pure chocolate, ignoring the box, costs 55 kronas. So I can also remove this here now. So price per hectogram of chocolate is 55 kronas per hecto. The next thing we would need to work out then is, what is the weight of the empty box? Well, let's take Alicia's weight here. Alicia paid 33 kronas. And we know that the cost of the chocolates is 55 kronas per kilo. So what was her weight of chocolate then? The weight of chocolate that Alicia paid for is 33 divided by 55. She paid 33 kronas. She paid 55 kronas per hecto. The kronas disappear. The hecto is under a double divide, giving us the number of hectograms that she gets as being 33 divided by 55. That is 0.6. 0.6 of a hecto is the weight that Alicia got of chocolate. But we can see that the weight of chocolates plus the box was 0.8. So the box itself must have a weight of 0.2 hectograms. And it doesn't matter which of these weights you use. You can use any of those 4 weights using the amount that you've got, the the amount that the chocolates cost and the price of the chocolates, and then see the weight of chocolate that you get, and then you'll get 0.2 in any of those. So try it yourselves at home if you get confused. But that will give you full marks, and doing it in a well-structured, organised way will also give you A points.